Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we're in Torrita di Siena and we promised you some really cool properties. So we're going to look at one. This is a house and it has a private entrance, and one of the walls to the house is actually the wall that surrounds Torrita di Siena. So if you buy this house, you're buying a piece of history. This house is in good condition, but if you wanted to modernize it a bit, you could. Let's take a look. Before we do anything, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you're looking for property in Italy, we're your guys. We have bought and sold many properties in Italy. We know the process inside and out, and sometimes you really need somebody with you to walk you through. Contact us, there's a link down below. And follow me on Instagram at Chris Sobolev. Okay, we are inside the house. We just came up, we are right next to Porta Gavina, which is the oldest porta, the oldest door that comes into Torrita di Siena. There's 4 of them, and this house is part of the historic wall. So it's a really, really historic house, and when you buy it, you're buying a piece of history. Now we have here with us Mirko from Vittorio Immobiliare here in Torrita. We have worked with him, he is fabulous, and he's going to show you the house and explain it.
Allora, venite, vi faccio vedere. Questa è la prima stanza dell'appartamento, di questo piccolo appartamento. Questo è il soggiorno e da questo lato si guarda verso sud e abbiamo una bella vista panoramica. Quindi se volete affacciarvi per vedere.
Okay, now one of the things about this house is that the heating system works really well. It was inhabited just a few months ago, and the windows are in pretty good shape. I mean, you could salvage these windows, just have them repainted a little bit on the outside, and use them. They're in good shape. Now, of course, what you love the most is the view, and you have views from several windows in this house.
Andiamo a vedere la cucina.
Now the kitchen is a beautiful space. It's very luminous, and the view out from the kitchen is spectacular of the old town right here, like almost in the kitchen with you. And the kitchen itself comes with the property and it's brand new. Check it out. This is a really nice space for a kitchen.
Allora, vi faccio vedere ora la camera. Anche questa è molto luminosa. Come il soggiorno guarda verso sud, e anche da questa finestra c'è una bellissima vista panoramica. Noi siamo sul perimetro del borgo di Torrita, quindi è un borgo medievale e il perimetro erano le mura contro i nemici.
Sì, ok.
E noi siamo, questa abitazione si trova proprio sulle vecchie mura di difesa del paese.
Wow, wow. Now if you look at the floors, they're gorgeous. They're really a nice little mosaic pattern, and you can shine them up and make them super luminous. In addition, this place is ready to move into. It is totally habitable. It's very comfortable. Add a few things and you're going to be super happy and super comfy here. One thing I love about this place is there's windows in every room, and the views just go on forever. It makes the place very luminous, and in the central storico, many times it can be very dark, but this house is super light and bright and very, very comfortable. In addition, the ceilings are really high. I don't know what, 10, 12-foot ceilings here, so you really get a feeling of space. Even though it's an apartment with 1 bedroom, 1 bath, it feels very, very big. Okay, and here's the bathroom. As you can see, it probably has the best bathroom view of any of the houses we've seen thus far. Who else gets a view like that when they're shaving or taking a shower or whatever? It's really a beautiful view. Now, of course, the bathroom can be moved around a little bit. The toilet is big, the bidet is big, and the sink kind of sticks out, and the shower is sort of in a funny spot. I would check with Lorella and see if you could move the shower against that window there and put in an opaque, obviously, window, because you don't want a clear one as you're taking a shower. And move things around. Instead of a large bidet, I would put in a butt gun. They're very popular nowadays. It seems to me that having a butt gun instead of the bidet does not really affect the price of the property, as long as there's something there that acts as a bidet. So you could take this little space, you could restructure it pretty nicely, have a super comfortable bathroom, and make it very pretty at the same time. Okay, so we saved the best for last. Here's the ripostiglio, the storage area. Now, it's really nice to have a storage area for your e-bikes, for extra stuff that you don't need, all of those kind of things, or even make it into a really nice closet here. There's a lot of space along this wall here. You can see there's already a storage cabinet here, but what if you got a large sort of storage cabinet slash armadio for clothes that you hang up? It's just an idea. Now up here, there's a little stair thing, and up here you have the serbatoio d'acqua, which is the water tank. And in all of these historic centers, and most of the houses that we see that are really set up nicely, there is a serbatoio d'acqua. And what that is many times, especially in historic centers, because a lot of the systems are a little older, they might shut down the water for a day. And if they do, you're kind of hosed if you don't have like Coke bottles full of water all over your house. The serbatoio d'acqua will pump water in, so you still get a nice shower, you still get all your drinking water that you need, and there's no interruption of water service. So serbatoio d'acqua is a wonderful thing to have. We put them in all our B&Bs and all of the houses that we've bought and sold here because it's that important. Now, this one already comes with the house, and I know for a fact that they cost in Calabria about $1,800, probably closer to $2,500 here in Tuscany. Now here in the hallway, coming up the stairs here, is a skylight. And I love the fact that a lot of the houses here put a skylight in the stairway because the stairwells can be so dark and very hard to see. Now this one has sort of a smoky glass in it. It can be opened more to add more light, or you can put some glass in it that's not as smoky and a little bit more clear, and you can get more light coming in the stairway during the day, so you don't have to turn on lights. Okay, and right as soon as you come in the door, there's a little ripostiglio here, and it's actually quite large. You could do a lot with it. You could put shelves in there, even hang things in there, make it a coat closet, whatever you like. There's a little stairway going down, but it's a lot of space. And the house comes with a huge garage. I mean, honestly, you could put at least 3 cars in here. You could put your e-bikes in here. You could put all of your stuff. You could really do a lot with this garage. It's really quite amazing. Plus, it's an amazing structure. It's in the old wall of this historic borgo here. It's quite amazing. I actually love the garage. I think might be my favorite part. Okay, guys, so you've seen this beautiful house. We think it has a lot of really, really good value in it. And it's all set up and ready to go here in Torrita di Siena. You could move right in and then do adjustments as you go. We always like to move into a place and get the flow of life in the house before we start making changes. And when you're ready for changes, we have Torrita and we have the builders and we have everything set up for you.